Hello, I'm Shannon Brinker. One of the questions that we get is how do we treat lithium disilicate crowns? We're going to do it very different than we would our conventional way of placing attachments. You have a couple of options. One of the things that we like to do in our practice is we will roughen up the surface with a little tiny diamond. Now when I say that, don't get in there and just rough it and take off the whole glaze of the tooth. We're only going to think about where is and what is the shape of that attachment. So getting in there, we're going to roughen up to have a little bit of micromechanical retention. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to treat it very differently. We're going to use Monobond, Etch and Prime from Ivoclar. When we do that, we're going to place that, we're going to scrub it in for 20 seconds, and then what we're going to do is let it sit for 40 seconds, okay? Once we've done that, we're going to rinse it really, really good, and we're going to go into the same bonding technique as we would with conventional attachments. So now that we're going to go into the Adhese Universal, we're going to make sure that we scrub that in really good for a full 20 seconds. And now we're ready to dry it really well, cure it with our light, and then go into our placing the attachment the way we normally do. When we think about our porcelain crowns, one of the concerns sometimes we have is what product are we going to be utilizing and how is it going to blend? Because we know sometimes lithium disilicate can be a little bit opaque depending on how old that crown is. And the last thing we want to do is have something that looks like a piece of bubble gum there, right? And sometimes we see that. So the beauty of utilizing the aligner Tetric is that we can really just disappear in there. It is clear, it's translucent. We don't have to worry about that. We don't have to worry about shades anymore like we used to. And most importantly, it looks beautiful. And it's going to have that chameleon effect. So now we can take the worry out of, is this going to match, right? Is this going to stand out? So I think that you'll find that it's a beautiful material, but most importantly, patients will be really pleased with the look.